Hi guys, my name is Vijay Jawan and I am the student of Narayana Take House. My friends are Shiva and Sham.
Now we are going to perform the small activity
with V1 and V1S interrogative question and answers. Do they conduct meeting every weekend?
Yes, they conduct meeting every weekend.
No, they do not conduct meeting every weekend.
Okay. Does Hrithik Roshan go to gym? Does Hrithik Roshan go to gym?
Yes, Hrithik Roshan goes to gym.
No, Hrithik Roshan does not go to gym.
Okay. Do we eat lunch at 2 o'clock daily?
Yes, we eat lunch at 2 o'clock at daily.
No, we do not. We lunch daily 2 o'clock.
Does PM Narendra Modi sleep daily 8 hours?
Yes, PM Narendra Modi sleeps daily 8 hours.
No, PM Narendra Modi does not sleep daily 8 hours.
Does Peacock dance daily?
Yes, Peacock dances daily.
No, Peacock does not dance daily.
Do they conduct meeting every weekend?
Yes, they conduct every meeting every weekend.
No, they do not conduct meeting every weekend.
Okay. Does Amruta go to temple every Monday?
Yes, Amruta goes to temple every Monday.
No, Amruta does not go to temple every Monday.
Okay. Do they sweep roads?
Yes, they sweeps roads.
No, they do not sweep roads.
No, they means no sweeps.
Sweep.
No sweeps.
They sweep roads daily.
Yes.
No, they do not sweep roads daily.
Yes. See, let us. We will ask questions.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside.
No, I do not go outside.
Does your sister eat chicken?
Yes, my sister eats chicken.
No, my sister does not eat chicken.
Does your father read the newspaper daily?
Yes, my father reads the newspaper daily.
No, my father does not read newspaper daily.
Does Ronaldo live in Hyderabad?
Yes, Ronaldo lives in Hyderabad.
No, Ronaldo does not live in Hyderabad.
Do you both speak in French?
Yes, we both speak in French.
No, we do not speak in French.
Do you like play golf?
Yes, I like to play golf.
No, I do not like to play golf.
Does Revant Reddy go to Parliament every day?
Yes, Revant Reddy goes to Parliament daily.
No, Revant Reddy does not go to Parliament daily.
Does PM Narendra Modi meets Amit Shah?
Yes, PM Narendra Modi meets to Amit Shah.
No, PM Narendra Modi does not meet to Amit Shah.
Do you like chicken?
Yes, I like chicken.
No, I do not like chicken.
Does your friend know how to cook biryani?
Yes, my friend knows how to cook biryani.
No, my friend does not know how to cook biryani.
Okay. Do you want to learn the theory part?
Yes, I want to learn theory part.
Yes, I do not want to learn theory parts.
Yes.